All right, good morning, everyone. It's 11:11 a.m., 5:30, 2025. I'm just taking a look at getting started with maybe a couple of trades here. Looks like we got a bit of consolidation. We're above the VWAP. With EMA, this is a 5-minute chart on my right. I got a 1-minute footprint chart on my left. Looks like we're coming down to a support level here. The move is probably somewhere in this area here. We got a couple of selling imbalances here. Let's see if we have any buying. Nothing really. There's a couple of buying imbalances here, but nothing above. Got a couple of selling imbalances just came in here. Able to get any lower, so I'd be looking at maybe going long. Let's get above. If we could push above this level right here, 908, and then retrace a little bit, I'd be looking at maybe taking a long right here, right about here. We just actually lost that buying imbalance, but still, this still looks like a good level. It's right above the support. Buyers that right here are trapped. We got a buying imbalance up on top. Not many. We got 56 prior. A couple of selling imbalances there. We'll sellers here. All right, so now this is more significant. So I will be taking the long. I'll be taking a long here. Let's see how much we retrace back. I'd like to be above the 9 EMA. We have a bunch of support sitting here. We got a POC here, point of control. A lot of trading has happened inside that area. See how far back we go. We're just going to take a look at this number on the left and see if it increases. We're also going to take a look at the delta, see if it decreases. So hovering around 980 to 400 up here. We're going to see about 200 and maybe think about going long. We lost a bunch of buying imbalances up here. We have a selling imbalance here. It may show a little resistance. So if we see the resistance coming down and then we get a little bit of a base building right around here, I'll be taking a long. Not much selling came back. We were still pretty bullish on this candle. A couple of selling imbalances. I'd be looking to go long right here. We made a higher low. Not much volume inside here. These are single digits. Not really worried about those. Want to see the delta increase. So this is negative delta. We want to see a decrease, which it is. We're back to positive delta. Now I want to see volume come in. These are where the buyers were. See if the buyers still want to continue. They're probably looking at this area here, 913 or so. Pretty decent numbers coming in, and we got some volume coming in. Let's just see 400 or 500 would be good. If we could even get 500 and we got a little selling in here, I'm still okay with that. I want to see two-way trading. Single digits, double digits to the top, triple digits right around here. So this is significant. We want to get past this level, which was a resistance level at one point. You had a big run up here pretty fast. You have a selling imbalance right here. May show some resistance. Value, the POC just came down a little bit. It's okay. Still above the VWAP. That's good. Little negative delta came in. We're positive again. This time we made a little one tick higher, which is good. Made a higher low. That's good. About a 1 to 2 ratio here. Now it's about the same, maybe 20 off. That's fine. Let's see if we have anything coming back here. Bunch of sellers here, couldn't get any lower. All right, you had a bunch of sellers. We got a couple of sellers below the VWAP, but no big deal. I got support right here. So I'm wrong in my my location to trade. So we just wipe that out. This candle I'm not paying too much attention to. I have a bunch of sellers here. Bunch of sellers here. So if we take a look here, this was significant level right about here. 904.25. So I'm going to go ahead and take a long right here, which is 905.50. Right below the VWAP. I'll just I'll pay attention to it. But right now we have a whole bunch of buyers. Just took out all those sellers. We had buyers up to this level. We have a little support sitting about right here. So I think I'm at a pretty good level right now. We got 197 on the. We can see. I would like to see this number decrease. Let's go into a positive range right here. We got a bunch of volume coming in at a steady rate. Looks good. Resistance here, back and forth, but that's good. So we're building momentum. Got 128 sellers, 115 buyers. That's decent. We're still not in a trade yet. WAP and the 9 EMA, they're touching. We're still in a profile issue, a profile right here. There's a lot of trading inside here. It's very good for a trade, this area. POCs, the yellow in each one of these candles. Got a little resistance here, 1735. These you got see how far down we could go here. Not much. You got a continuation. Got a couple of selling imbalances. Bunch of buyers just came in. We're getting less negative delta. So we're about 300. We're going to see if we go down to about 125. We want to see this about maybe 100 less. And if I see that, then I'll readjust my my entry. That's telling me that buyers are moving in. You got a bunch of selling here, but we're not getting any lower. So that's my cue to move it about here. Just take it down a little bit. We just modified the order. This looks good. High or low. You got just a pump right there. That looks good. Trade. We got a buying imbalance. Right, no longer buying. Sellers came back, but not that many. Still got a couple of buying imbalances here. This could show a little bit of support or right in this area. So I think we're still looking good right now. We want to pass over here. We want to pass 0525. That was what we looked at earlier. We'll see if you could take this all the way to the top. We have some bigger numbers in here. So this is so I'm going with a 10 tick stop, 20 tick profit target. That could change depending on how the action is. And if you see all this action, it's up and down, up and down, up and down. So it could go either way right now. I like to see buyers build up, which it just did right in here. You got a buying imbalance here. That looks good. Get above the 9 EMA. It gave us a little problems before, but now we did go above it. We didn't close above it. You got a bunch of sellers in here, but we're not going lower. So we just got to push. So we need to push right about here. Retail will start coming in right about here, and these look like pretty decent numbers. And we have a unfinished auction here. There you go. Okay, so we're pretty much right in here. We had a bunch of sellers come in. You'll see it did move up higher, which is good. We have a little bit more buying come in and a buying imbalance right there. Selling imbalances, that's all right. Got a couple of buying imbalances here, so we're still, I think we're on the right side of the trade. We did make a lower high and a higher low. All right, that's good. All right, now we just made it a little higher, so we just got to pop through here. I think once we pop through here, I think we're going to have a decent trade. Once we get to be about right here, I'm going to go ahead and go break even. So I'm at break even right now. Let's just go right to the target. I'll be happy with that. Think like we could do it. Be right about here. We're going to book a couple of points. We got a big support level over here with a bunch of buying imbalances. Okay. So that was 5 points. All right, I'm going to stop the video right here. I think we have enough. Yeah, 12 minutes. So that's decent. That was a good trade. I think that we did pretty good on that one. And we'll come back and re-record when I see another setup. All right, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you watched the video to this end, I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.